take refuge here.
Okay.
We'll look for Peter in the morning.
Wonder what happened to him. You think anything bad happened?
I don't know, but I hope he's still alive.
That made me feel so much better.
Hey guys! Come over here! Right here! Hey! Oh boy, it's snowing out here! Wow! It's really cold right now. My hands are frozen. Where have you been? I lost you guys. I lost you. Why? You found me. I was out there for so long. My hands, they're freezing.
Let's camp out here tonight, guys. First thing in the morning, after we gain our energy, we'll head back to base camp. Sounds good?
All right, sounds good. Let's do it.
Hey, where's base camp again? Because it's kind of cold and I don't want to be sleeping here all night. I'd rather just go now.
I think I remember why we left him behind in the first place.
I can hear you. Actually, you're right next to me. Guys, I'm still here. I can't move. Guys, come help me! I got stuck. I'm stuck.
Actually, it doesn't feel so bad.